How to find the square root of any number. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. I'll be showing you two methods you can find the square root of any number from. Now the first one is for you to get a number. Now the number times itself should give you the number you're searching for the square root. Now if you're searching for the square root of 49, now what is that number that when you times it by itself, it should give you 49? And once you get that answer correct, you've gotten your square root. Now in the case of 49, 7 times 7 gives you 49. The square root of 49 is 7. And in the case of 225, 15 times 15 gives you 225, and this is the square root of this number. The next method we'll be using to look for our square roots would be minusing the number you're looking for the square root by odd numbers. Now you want to say 49 minus 1, which is the first odd number. It will be equal to 48. Now the next thing would be 48 minus the next odd number, which is 3, and that will be equal to 45. I'll pick the next number, 45 minus the next number, which is 5, the next odd number, and that will be equal to 40. Now it's going to be 40 minus the next odd number, which will be 7, which will be equal to 33. 33 minus 9, which is the next odd number, which will be equals to 24. And then guys, 24 minus the next odd number, which is 11, and it will be equal to 13. And the next odd number would be 13 minus 13, which will be equals to 0. Now you want to keep minusing this digit until you get 0. Now we're going to be counting. How many times did we have to minus an odd number from the actual number that we are looking for the square root, which is 7 times? And due to our calculation before, 7 times 7 gives you 49, and that makes 7 the square root of 49. And in this case, it still proves that it is correct. So we're going to do the same thing to the second number here, which is 225, and we're still going to go through the same process, which is minusing odd numbers from this actual number 225, starting from 1. Now the first one will be 225 minus 1, which will give you 224. Now the next one will be 224 minus 3, and that will bring about 221.
Writer myself someday.
As you can see, this is the final number. We've arrived to 0, and if you count this, it is 15. And by the first method I showed you, 15 times 15 gives you 225. Now if you go ahead and count how many times you had to minus an odd number from the actual figure, it is 15 times. And guys, this is exactly how you can find square root of any number easily. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.